You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at how to pronounce this curious letter. In Russian, the name of the letter itself is called Z. The sound that it makes is Z, Z. Often, this sound in English is written as ZH. For reference, it is the sound that you have in the word pleasure or measure. Z is how to pronounce it. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.